airship. Airship. B is for bulldozer. Bulldozer. C is for camper van. Camper van. D is for drone. Drone. E is for electric car. Electric car. F is for forklift. Forklift. G is for go-kart. Go-kart. H is for hoverboard. Hoverboard. I is for ice cream van. Ice cream van. J is for jet ski. Jet ski. K is for kite buggy. Kite buggy. L is for loader. Loader. M is for moped. Moped. N is for narrow boat. Narrow boat. O is for open top bus. Open top bus. P is for paraglider. Paraglider. Q is for quad bike. Quad bike. R is for rowboat. Rowboat. S is for snowmobile. Snowmobile. T is for tugboat. Tugboat. U is for utility vehicle. Utility vehicle. V is for velomobile. Velomobile. W is for windsurfer. Windsurfer. X is for excavator. Excavator. Y is for yacht. Yacht. Z is for zeppelin. Zeppelin. Let's sing the alphabet with vehicles so grand. From A to Z, they're all so fun and grand.